Hello, hope you have an awesome day. In this video we are wearing our Christmas shirts, so that means we're going to be doing a Christmas video and we're going to be drawing Christmas trees. So we're going to show you how to draw 8 different Christmas trees, and the great thing about this is you can mix and match all the different parts to create an infinite number of Christmas trees, which is pretty awesome. So to get started you need something to draw with, marker, pen, whatever you want, and something to draw on like paper. Okay, are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Alright, so we're going to draw 8 different Christmas trees, and the good thing about this, like I said before, you can mix and match them to create other trees as well. So I'm going to show you a few, and then you can just make up your own as well. Now the thing with the Christmas trees, they're all based on a basic shape, which is a triangle. So the very first tree we're going to draw is a triangle. So let's just start with the bottom here. Now if you wanted, you can make that a little bit curved. Or you can keep it a straight edge if you want, it's up to you. And then we're going to draw it going up to a point up to about here, and we just join these two together. Just like that. Great job. Alright, and then the next part we're going to draw is the little Christmas tree stump, or the bottom of the tree. And we're just going to draw a small square there, like that. Again, you can make the bottom a little bit curved as well. So you can already see it's starting to take shape of a Christmas tree, and this is the basic shape for all the trees that we're doing. Okay, so this tree here, well, why don't we put something on the top? Why don't we make a little star? So we can draw a little star here, and we go across like that. Yeah, like that. There's lots of ways to draw a star. We'll draw some more stars later on as well. Now this tree here, I think we'll just keep it nice and simple because it's a basic shape. So I think what we're going to draw is, we'll decorate this with Christmas tree lights. And it's fun to colour in because you can do all different colours. So to start off with, we're going to draw some lines on the tree. So we're going to start one going this way, down an angle. And then we'll go down the opposite way like that. So it kind of crisscrosses across the street. Across the tree, not the street. Okay, like this. You can do as many or as few as you like. Kind of like that. And it gives a bit of depth and shape. Great. And then all we do is we can attach the lights, which is basically a little circle to each of the strings there. You can draw as many or as few as you like. You can even change the shape of the lights if you want to make it like an oval shape or a star shape or square. That's really up to you. Okay, so that's tree number 1, and we'll colour that in a little bit later. Alright, let's do the next tree. Now the next tree again is going to be based on triangles, but we're going to make it out of 3 triangles. So let's start up the top here with a small triangle. So we'll do a nice curved shape like that. Yeah, and then we go up to a point. Again, you can keep the lines a little curved. So it's still a triangle shape, but each lines are curved like that. And then we're going to draw another triangle below that, but it's going to be larger. But part of the tip of the triangle is going to be hidden underneath the other tree. So what you can maybe do is do a wider circle like that, or line, and then just join it up to the tree like that. Yep, and we'll do it one more down the bottom, just like that. And again, we'll do some curved lines and join it there as well. Cool, and then you just put the part of the Christmas tree down the bottom. Cool, again, make it a nice little square. Cool, and this one here, I think we'll decorate it with, we'll put a little angel on the top there. Now, we're going to be a real simple angel. We're going to draw another triangle, a smaller triangle on top. That's for its body. And let's draw a circle for its head. And then on each side, we're going to draw some wings. So kind of almost make them look like butterfly wings, like this. That is good. And this one here we'll decorate as well. I think this one here, similar to this tree here, we'll decorate it with tinsel. So, or streamers, so we're going to draw little lines across it like this. And each of these lines you can colour in a different colour later in. Alrighty, and that's tree number 2 done. It was looking good. Alright, let's draw tree number 3. And this one here, again, like this tree here, going to start off with some triangles, but the bottom part of the triangle here, instead of making it a curved line, we're going to make it lots of little shapes like that, yeah. And then we'll make it, we'll complete it as a triangle up the top here, but at the top maybe make it round, so it's not so pointy. And this tree here, we're going to make it look like it's a more natural tree. We're going to draw some snow on it. So then the next section you do the same as well. You make it a little bit wider, and you put these curved shapes on there, make them all random, and then we just join that up to the side there on each side, and then do the same for the bottom there as well, and then join that up. Wow, that's looking cool. And then of course we'll put the stump or the tree there. Okay, and this one here, let's decorate it. So we're going to pretend that it's been snowing on it. So at the top here, we're going to draw some curves, just all random shapes. So it looks like it's been snowing on the top. But then on the bottom, these bottom triangles, we're going to do it the other way. So we're going to draw some curves along here. You can make them all random. So we'll colour these parts in white and these will be green. And then down the bottom as well. That is looking awesome, and it's tree number 3. Alrighty, let's go for tree number 4 now. Alright, so this one here, again, is based on a triangle shape, but on the bottom here, we're going to draw 3, we can draw more curves like that. And then for the top here, so we're just going to imagine there's a line down the middle, and we're just going to put a dot there, so we know that's kind of where the middle and the top is. Now on this side here, we're going to draw curves going out and then a little bit in. So if you draw the curve going out and then curve back in, maybe half the distance, and each time you're going a little bit wider and a little bit further until it joins to the bottom. Yeah, you can do 3 or you can do 4, you can do as many as you like. And then we do the same on the other side. So we do a big curve and then a little curve in, big curve out, little curve in, and then the same there as well, like that. Cool. And you can do, you can see I've done 4 on the side. You can do 3. This makes it look more natural, like a real tree. It doesn't have a perfect shape. Okay, this one here, I think on the top. Oh, let's draw the tree stump down the bottom there as well. Again, that little square. There we go. On this one here, I think on the top, let's draw a ribbon. I think that will look nice. So let's draw a nice circle shape. Yeah. And then we're going to draw a bow on the side, like that. And do one on the other side as well. And then here we're just going to draw a line. Basically we're going to draw a little J. It's a line with a little curve there, like that. Cool. And then if you wanted to, we're going to have two little bits sticking out. Kind of like that. That's the ribbon parts. Cool. And this one here, I think we'll decorate this one. Let's put some lights on it. So again, we'll put the little strings on it. Go from one side down and then continue going down the opposite side and so on. So you can do as many as you want. Cool. And then we just attach some circles to it. Or any other shape. Could be squares, could be, I don't know, triangles. And we'll colour those in. And that's tree number 4. Alrighty, let's go to tree number 5 down this side here. This one here, you see a lot of these trees are quite pointy. We're going to make these a nice round bubbly shape. So first of all we're going to draw 3 nice round shapes like that. And then we're going to complete the triangle but keep the top nice and round as well. So go up, round and then down. Cool, and let's do that for the bottom, the next row as well. Cool, and then join it up to the side. And then we do one more row there as well. And then again we add a little square on the bottom for the tree trunk. Alright, this one here, I think let's draw some balls on it, so just round shapes. And we can colour these in a little bit later as well. Great, tree number 5. Righty, let's go tree number 6. Alright, so this one here, let's do a nice little round curve down the bottom. And then again, just think where the middle is and go up and put a little point there, that's where we put our top. And then we're going to draw a curved line going down to each side. So it's kind of similar to the first tree, but these got a bit more curve to it. Alright, and up the top here we're going to draw a little star. Now, an easy way to draw stars is you can draw kind of a triangle, but don't close off the edge, and then do another triangle here, another triangle there, another triangle there. So it's kind of like 5 little triangles there. Yeah, perfect. This one here I thought we'd do something different. I thought we'd make the streamers going down. So we'll just draw some lines there. And this one's fun. You could actually do all sorts of colouring with that. Make it like a rainbow tree or something like that. Awesome, that was cool. Oh, and we've got the put the little tree trunk down the bottom, of course. Otherwise the tree won't stand. Great. Tree number 6. Let's go to tree number 5. And this one here, let's start up the top here. Just put a little point, that's the start. And we'll do a curve going down. And at the bottom here, we'll put some nice curves like this. And then go up. Yeah. And same thing. Next section down, put the little curves in them. You can make it a little wider. You can make the tree like really wide or really skinny. So the less curves that you do, the skinnier it is. The more curves you do, the wider it is. This is really where you can mix and match, make all these different tree combinations. And then down the middle here, we'll put our tree trunk in again. Like that, yeah. And this one here up the top, I think we'll draw another star here as well. I think most Christmas trees have a star or an angel on top. Great. And this one here, I think we'll decorate. We'll do a bit of combination of both. I think we'll put some streamers in here. You can go from one side to the other. Cool. And if you've got a little space, you can just add some circles there for the Christmas tree decorations. And you can colour them in lots of fun colours. Just randomly like that. There we go, that's a nice tree. Alright, so that's tree number 7. And lucky last, I think we'll have some fun with this tree. Yeah, so this tree, we'll make it a small skinny tree. So we'll do a small curve down the bottom here like this. And why don't we add the tree trunk in it while we're there. Now this tree, I thought we'll have some fun. I thought we'll make it really skinny and long. And we'll do a funny curve at the top. So we'll go up, and then at the top we curve it around like that. So it almost looks like it's bending over. And then from this point here, you do another curve, starting quite thin and then going out wider and joining down the bottom here. So we just start here. Yeah, like that. It's a bit of a silly tree. And yeah, let's put a star on this one again. I quite like drawing stars, so that's fun. And this tree here, I thought it would be fun just to put some stripes or streamers, tinsel, whatever you want to call it. I'll add them quite wide here. That's the silly tree. Alrighty, and that's tree number 8. So there we go, we've done our 8 different trees, and you can see they're all very similar. It's just a different combination or different shapes that you've mixed together. So using this, you could create almost an infinite number of Christmas trees. So why don't you give that a go? But the next step for us is to colour in. Alrighty, and we're back. We've finished colouring in our Christmas trees, and you can see that both of us have all done different things, and that's the great thing. You can colour them in any way you want. You can alternate the colours there. You even use a lot of traditional green and red, which is Christmas colours. I've added a bit more. I've added like a rainbow tree here, so you can just do whatever you want. I've also added some more details and textures. You can use like a light mark and a dark mark to create a bit of texture on there. But yeah, so just let your imagination run wild, and you can colour them in and mix and match any way you like. Now the other thing that I like about these trees is you can actually, if you're making Christmas cards, it'll be a great design to have in front of the Christmas card. Or if you draw this on some card, you can cut these out. You can hang them as Christmas ornaments in your Christmas tree. So that's a great way to make your own decorations as well. Well, I hope you had fun drawing our Christmas trees together, and hope you draw lots and lots of more Christmas trees. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.